Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ivana and don't forget to subscribe. My channel is about the fashion, travel and beauty. So today's video will be about the unboxing video, and I got beautiful bag and I'm gonna share with you guys if I have my Instagram as well, so I will really appreciate if you're gonna check it out. I'm doing my daily posting and about fashion, travels and my bags. I will feel happy if you're gonna check it out. So let's get started that unboxing. Okay guys, this is my bag, humongous bag from Coccinelle. This comes in beautiful pink bag and I'm really excited guys showing you. Okay guys, this is my dust bag. That's my bag. I can't wait. Oh my god. Oh, it's come with beautiful pinky dust bag, so soft. I really love it. And guys, this is amazing. Okay, let's go opening. Okay, ta-da! This is my newest baby from Coccinelle. I can't wait to wear this. I love this color. It's absolutely beautiful guys. What do you think? It's lovely curly color and I love the shape of the bag. Bag is really soft, really squishy, so it will be easy to wear with this short handle, and comes in the beautiful silver hardware, as you can see. We'll show you just closer, and have also strap. Okay, this is bag. I'll show you guys inside. Look, just on the front, and this is how you open just one big flap. This is inside. We have a lot of papers, so we'll take it out. Okay, one, and that's another one. So this is just inside. One huge compartment on the middle, one in the back. Have one zip compartment as well over here, so you can put some your documents or the cards or just key. Here it comes with beautiful lining, really soft natural color, and one small packet on the front. So this one little booklets had all information about the leather, how to carry about the leather, so which product use it, so everything is written here. This one, and so yeah, very easy to close. So beautiful bag, and comes with the nice short handle and one strap as well. The strap you can't remove, so you can wear just in the hands or crossbody if you like. So I am 160 centimeters, so it's perfect if you want even shorter. So this strap is adjustable, so you can put on your high if you want. So yeah, and oh yeah, one more pocket just on the back I forgot to show you, and if you want to put some coins or phone, so easy to put it. So it's a lot of spacey and closing with the buttons here, so like this. Yeah, just one more time guys, always look the back, and have a 4 feet on the back, so it's protecting for any scratch here. Right, this one, this is my newest baby. Price I'm gonna link it down below. And one more information, if you want get some discounts with the new purchase for the bag, Coccinelle have 15% off discount code. So when you have a purchase, so you can get nice discounts, and I will link down below. Hey guys, this is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video, and see you on my next. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.